And did we all of us know what is the actual concept behind the Constitution? Are we following the Constitution that made by the great leaders of Indian Constitution? And we have some classmates with me who is going to debate on this.
I did not agree with you. We are following our leaders. Their dreams, their thoughts are different.
Yes, of course, we are following our leaders. India is a democratic country.
According to the generation, depending on the situation, changes are necessary. You have totally changed the system. These changes will affect the people.
But tell me one thing about this. All the people stop it. All the local people start needed. She is raising one question, a good question. Did all the people satisfied with today's government?
Dream to be a democratic country. They didn't want us. They prayed with British and now monarchies know that our India is independent and developed.
But why the amendment is their constitution? Can you follow the same constitution?
Okay, let me answer. There are many amendments of the constitutions of people of.
See, at the time of preparing draft constitution, there are only 4 political parties. Now, there are so many political parties. Many leaders are preparing their parties and competing among them.
This is one good point. When there will be more parties, they will make more plans for people. No, all parties are making competition. They are not following our leaders. But they are not all the parties like that. Because of same leaders, we cannot raise question on whole government.
We can raise, people will raise the question when they feel that
We cannot say not all the parties are working for people.
Okay, it depends on people. The constitution is to whom they select is totally for the people, and people have this right to choose. There's only one problem: at the time of election, there will be no more election or scheme for people, but there is only there will be no came to election.
Here I have to say that Government Modi, there are the benefits that we can ignore that.
We are not ignoring, but it's not working in all local areas.
See, when this constitution was drafted, it was for people. And now today's government is also for people.
According to me, today's government is also for politicals and leaders only, not for the people.
According to the generation, changes are necessary. It has to change.
But why the amendment is their constitution? Can't you follow the same constitution?
Why to raise this question? No, it has to change now.
But very simple points. Okay, fine. I think we have to stop here. And it's a big question remains that what was the constitution that was formed by our great leaders, and what is the constitution today, and what is the constitution of today? And now I want to stop our debate here, but it should be continued in all of us mind, so that we can get a good result. And thank you girls for taking part in this debate, and thank you all of you for watching our